How to install Realtek audio driver on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can install Realtek audio driver on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar type in Realtek. After that, from your search results, head over to the first link, that is www.realtek.com. Click on it. That's gonna land you to its official website. Now from here, click on this three-line icon at the top left, and here click on Downloads option. Here scroll down a bit and then click on Computer Peripheral ICs and click on it. Once you see this interface, scroll down a bit. Here is an option for product line. Click on this drop down and from here you have to choose PC audio codecs. Again, once the interface is loaded, click on this drop down and now click on high definition audio codecs. If you scroll down a bit, you will have three different options. So here we will just navigate towards the first one, where we want to install the first version right here. So in order to download it, click on software. That's gonna take you to different page. Here scroll down a bit and from here select this 64 bits Vista, which will work in Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and also 11. So to download, click on download option or download icon. Here you have to accept the terms and conditions, then click on download this file. Now you will land on this page where you have to enter or you have to perform this CAPTCHA verification. So in this text box, you have to type in the text that you see on this interface, and once you click on submit and once you are verified, the download process will begin. And once the download is complete, you can simply open up the file and then set up in your device. And that's how you can install Realtek audio driver in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.